In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently remove a game from your Steam library. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Steam. The next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be going to this top menu and we're going to be selecting on the option over here that says help, and then go ahead and select on Steam support. Once you're over here, you want to go ahead and select on which game you're trying to remove from your library. So you can go over here to where it says games and software and then go ahead and locate one. So for this video, we're going to go ahead and remove Ark Survival Evolved like so. And then all you want to do is you want to scroll on this last option that says I want to permanently remove this game from my account. So go ahead and press on that, and then it's going to ask you for confirmation once again. So yeah, you can go ahead and just press on OK, remove it like so. And then if we now go back to our library, you'll notice that that game is now gone. Alternatively, you guys could also hide it, so you don't necessarily need to delete it off your Steam account. But if you want to like hide it from this list, what you can also do is you can go ahead and right click on it, then go out here where it says manage, and then press on hide this game. And now if you want to go ahead and find that game, you need to go to the top menu, press on view, then select on hidden games, and then there you go. You could also find it through there. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.